What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to address the question I got most often this past week is, how do I earn money playing video games? You've probably seen videos on it. That's probably something that you want to do. I always tell people, go figure out what your hobby is and then find a way to monetize it, to make money from your hobby. And that's exactly what these few people did. Is they were asking me, okay, I'm playing video games now, how do I make money from it? Well, that's what I want to address in today's video. Now, before I jump into the video, I first just want to say playing video games for a living can have its ups and downs. I do have two friends that actually do it for a living, a full-time income from playing video games. One is playing a first-person shooter game, the other one plays more sports games, and they do very well. But they've also been doing it. One, I think he started about 8 years ago, and another one started about 2.5, 3 years ago. So, it is something that you need to get into. You're not going to make a whole lot of money to begin with, but once you do, you're going to love that you started. So, let's jump in the video and let me show you exactly how you can start making money through video games. So, right here, this is a YouTube channel. Now, you've probably seen a bunch of my videos. You probably know I love YouTube. Okay? So, with that said, I want to show you how people are making a lot of money from YouTube. All they're doing, and people do this on Twitch as well, people doing live streams, you can make some great money. Now, this channel is called PR9. No, this is not a friend of mine, don't know who he is, but I just typed in, I think, how to play FIFA or something or whatever, and his channel popped up. So, I came over here and I clicked on it. And I'm watching a couple of his videos just to see, and he's teaching people how to buy players on FIFA 19 for a low amount and sell them for a higher amount. And you can come and watch these videos, 16 minutes, 13, 17, 14. You get the idea. But that's not how he's not making a ton of money from these videos alone. Let me show you this. So here's his channel over on Social Blade. So if I come down here and see how many views he's getting per day, on average, the gaming channels are only making about $1.20, maybe $1.50. Maybe I don't even know if they're pushing $2 per 1,000 views. So let's say they're making $1.50 per 1,000 views. On average, if he gets 24,000 views, okay, let's say he's making $1.50, okay, times it by 24, he's making $36 a day from his YouTube channel from YouTube ads. That's not a lot of money. Considering mine, when I get paid from YouTube, I get paid about $11 to $13 per 1,000 views. So I'm getting paid 10 times what this guy is just because I'm in a different niche. So video games are not going to make you rich if you're using YouTube ads. Here's the cool part. If you come to any of his videos, okay, I'm going to come to his video. I'm just going to pause it right there. And I'm going to click on show more. What you can see right here is you can get cheap coins. Use PR9 for 5% off. You click over here. It takes you to this website right here. It's called FIFAcoinsbuy.com. Now they have a whole where you can buy stuff for Xbox, PlayStation, I think Switch, all this other stuff. So let's say somebody comes and wants to buy some coins. Now, why would they want to do that? The reason why people would buy coins, and again, this is just one game. This is just FIFA 19. That's what the guy specializes in. Now, that's what he specializes in. Doesn't mean you have to as well. So what he does is he does videos, and let me show you right here again, where he shows people how to make 75,000 plus extra every day with these trading tricks. Like I told you, he's teaching people how to buy players with a small amount of coins and resell them to other people and make up the difference. Okay, you're gonna make a profit there. And so you could do that all day long, or you could just buy, a million coins right here for Xbox One, and it costs you $109. Now, and that's 25%. That's a good deal, right? But if you look here, he also gave you a 5% discount code. Okay, use PR9 for 5% off. Awesome. So you can get 30% off. That's great, right? Well, here's the cool part. This one right here, FIFAcoinsbuy.com, has an affiliate program. You see it right there. Now, You can see what some of the people have been earning. Okay, decent amount of money for playing FIFA, right? This is just FIFA coins. That's all they sell. Okay, look right here. You will receive 10% commission for each sale from your affiliate link. Awesome, right? Well, so at 14,000, this person sold what, $140,000 worth of FIFA coins. That's pretty good. I don't know who that is. Honestly, don't care. But they're making money. That's the whole goal. All right. But guess what? Again, this is just FIFA. How to make $75,000 plus extra every day with these trading tricks. But if you look over here on a site called udemy.com, I typed in FIFA 19. There's 4 results. People are selling courses. One's in Spanish, or I think this is in Spanish. Yeah. And so this one, how Germany won the World Cup of Nation Branding, that's free. But you look at these two. This one's a new one, FIFA 19, from 0 to hero, 33 minutes long, 18 lectures. There's been 4 ratings, okay? And it's sold for normally $19.99, and today it's selling for $9.99. This one, normally $29.99, with 11 ratings, selling for $9.99. 13 lectures, 32 minutes. Now, if you were to sell a course for, let's say, $10 and it sold 11 times, you just made $110 off a course that only lasts 32 minutes. That's pretty good. That's some good money. Now, what I want you to take away from this video, and I'm going to show you another way people are making money as well, okay? But one of the things I want you to take away from this is these people found a hobby, found something they were good at. They're good at playing video games. You know, over there on the Xbox, the PlayStation, the computer, whatever it is, they're good at it. So because of that, they're monetizing their hobby. People do this all the time. You probably see it on TV. They have a lot of gaming shows on TV. Lately, they've been showing like Rocket League. They still show Call of Duty. There's a bunch of different things people are making money on. Fortnite is another game that people are just killing it on. People are selling guides and how-tos, and you can join these teams that are sponsored, and you do these competitions, all this stuff. Okay, and you can make some great money. It's something that you need to understand. If you want to play video games for a living, you have to put in the time. It's just like going to a 9-to-5 job. You have to be up every single day, wake up early, go to bed late, and you're playing almost 24 hours a day. Okay? But if you can monetize it like I'm showing you with YouTube or with Twitch, you can make some good money. Let me show you another way you can make money as well. Okay? So again, you can make money by right here through an affiliate program, which I highly recommend. Okay? If you haven't taken my affiliate marketing course, there's one. I'll put a link to it down in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to. And I don't directly go over like how to make money through affiliate marketing with video games, but I do talk about video games, or do talk about YouTube branding, all that stuff. So it might help you out there. Okay, and obviously I do go into YouTube and how you make money with YouTube, obviously. But here's something you gotta understand: there's more ways to make money. Okay, so if I click on this one, cheap games plus codes, people are selling codes. Okay, like almost like cheat codes. Okay, and they're showing you how you can play these games and make a little bit extra money if you're selling players, or how you do these different tricks, or how you do a bicycle kick, or whatever, how you shoot a 3-pointer from full court if it's playing basketball. But there's a lot of options for you guys. So here's the website I just clicked on from over here, okay, g2a.com, right there, g2a.com. And so you can already see there's his affiliate link. And if I come down right here, there's a game here, game here, game here, game here. There's more stuff. I can buy these different cases, buy different games. There's a bunch of things I can do. But everything that I do is going to go, the commission's going to go to this guy. Now, how much? I have no idea. I could come down here, find an affiliate page. I don't see it right now, but there's probably one somewhere. Obviously there is, because he's doing it. Alright, so let me give you some tips when it comes to playing video games for a living. Now, these are not tips from me. These are tips from my 2 friends that actually do this for a full-time living. I'm not going to give you my tips because I don't play video games that often. But the number one tip that they said is to record everything. The reason why they say that is because, and this is what a lot of people don't do, is they don't record their entire day of gaming. The reason why a lot of people don't is they don't have the card, the memory to hold it. And that's what you need to do. You need to buy a capture card so that you can hook it up to your Xbox, your PlayStation, or your computer, and you can get all that gaming saved so that you can go back to it later on. The reason why they both said you need to record your entire day of gaming and do this every single day is because you never know when you are going to do something unique that you want to show. You never know when you're going to do something different that you need to go back to and reference so you can actually make a video or a guide or something as a way to then sell it. Okay? Second thing they said is to play often. You need to play often because you need to perfect your craft. If your craft is playing video games, playing FIFA, playing Madden, playing Call of Duty, you need to play as often as you can to get better. The better you are at playing the game, the more people are going to actually come and watch. If you absolutely suck at the game, you're playing Call of Duty, and you get killed every single time, and you can never shoot anybody, then who's going to watch you? Who's going to take what you have to say seriously? Because you have no idea what you're talking about. The third thing, invest back into your business. When you start, it's going to take you a little bit to make money, especially if you're doing YouTube, especially if you're making money through YouTube ads, because you need 1,000 YouTube subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time. Because of that, it's going to take you a while to get there. But once you get there, start reinvesting your money back into your business. In the beginning, you're going to make money through affiliate marketing. Maybe you're going to promote products over on Amazon, which that's what I highly recommend. That's what I do, and it works extremely well. But let's say you make some money through affiliate marketing. You sell a couple courses. Maybe you do a coaching call for $15 an hour or $25 an hour, whatever you decide. And you're taking all that money and you're using it. Well, once you start to make money from YouTube ads, take all that money from your YouTube ads and now dump it back into your business and do that every single month until you grow. The fourth thing that they said is what they both did in order, and this is one of the reasons that I kind of got a hold of the second person, because he was actually a client of mine to start. But one of the things that they both did is they both, once they put up videos, once they started making some money, what they did is they paid for YouTube ads. Okay, so they ran an ad on their video to get it shown to more people, and they did it all on YouTube. The best part about that is it's extremely cheap. Also, it's extremely cheap when people watch something. They usually don't just watch it, especially on a gaming channel, for a couple minutes. The average time, I think, it's like 11 minutes of watch time, which is extremely good. And also, when people watch more than one video, the likelihood of them subscribing goes up by, I think, 60%. Okay, I don't know the exact stat, but I believe it's right about 60% if they watch an additional video after the first one, especially if it's the same channel. Okay, so those are the tips. Hopefully it helps you out. If you're going to start a gaming channel, let me know down in the comment section below. What is your gaming channel going to be about? You don't have to put a link to it. I can click on your name. I can figure it out. But let me know. What's it about? I'd love to check it out. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.